My name is Sven Lerner. I'm with the group doing sensory substitution. Mason, Rob, and Steven are my partners, and this is our update number 2. So as far as our project goals, they're still the same as they were at the beginning. We aim to have a blindfolded member of our group be able to catch a ball thrown at them, given only the sensory input from a vest with an array of motors. As before, we still have the backup goal, is if that is not feasible, we will have the vest simply guide the wearer to an object in the room, which will be much easier if the image processing speed is not quick enough on the MyRio. As far as project updates, we switched from writing our code in C++ to LabVIEW, and we decided to use a MyRio microcontroller to drive the motors and load the code on. The current state of the project, the code is working correctly. I'll show you a quick demo of the code detecting a red ball in a white image. I just created a couple easy test cases, and as you can see, it very quickly detects the ball and the size of the ball and its coordinates. So that's all working well. The code is also working correctly in driving the motors, so that's a big update as well. So as far as our interactions with our mentors, that actually drove our decision to switch from C++ to LabVIEW, and it's definitely been helpful. They did raise a couple questions corresponding to the relevancy of the course, relevancy to the course of the project. We definitely have reliable real-time behavior, but we've decided to add in states to the LabVIEW code. These states will consist of searching for the ball, once the ball has been thrown, the ball approaching from the left side, the ball approaching from the right side, and they will each actuate the motors in different manners. Let's go back. Some of the challenges we have, definitely the speed of the image processing on MyRio. We're going to be testing whether that will work fast enough this upcoming week. We've discovered that reducing the image quality for the input feed greatly improves the speed. Another challenge we're facing is creating the actual vest. That's one of our deliverables that we still need to fulfill. Also below you can see an image of our LabVIEW code, which we are currently using. So some to-do items. We've got to load the code and deploy it on a MyRio. We haven't done that yet. It's currently running on a computer. We've got to actually solder the board and the motors together. We need to create the physical vest and the housing for the MyRio and power source. And then finally, which is kind of a quick last step, is just decide how to mount the webcam on the test subject. I already addressed the relevancy to the course. We're adding in states to our LabVIEW code, so that will give us 2 course relevant topics in our project, which satisfies the requirement. As far as what each team member has contributed so far, Mason has been doing a lot of the work on the LabVIEW code. He's been working with Trung, one of our advisors, and that's definitely been helpful. Rob is responsible for a lot of the soldering. Steven will be creating the housing for the MyRio and power source, and I'll be creating the actual vest. I believe that is all that is needed for this video. If you have any questions, please shoot us an email, and otherwise we look forward to future updates. Thank you.